This is it.
Well, we've got 11 pounds in the back of this one.
Okay.
30 in that one. The front one's got about 11 pounds in it.
Okay, we had to move a bunch of stuff to get it out so we could get at it, to try and drag it out of there and bring it home. So this is part of that moving process. Things out of the way. Big transmission and diff that Chris managed to pry out of the way for us to get at it. We're pulling it back. Just derooted it here from its 37 years slumber. It was a bit of a juggle moving things around the yard to get it out so we get it lined up for the flat deck, yeah. But we moved enough stuff around and got it out. Yeah, it went good.
There,
yeah.
Then it's in line for me to
okay.
The deck loaded up there.
Sure. Somebody's big finger in the way there, I see. No front seats in the car at this point, so Chris is sitting on a tire that's sitting on the floor as he's trying to wheel this thing backwards. And we're hoping all the tires and rims turn. One locked up a bit there on the far side, but
turn it some more like you had it. Yep, just like that. What's that? Oh, he's gonna move it. I knew that. Well, it still rolls. Parked for 30 years.
Yeah, I found out actually it was 37 years when he started figuring everything out for us. It's getting a little more exciting now. It's out of its place that it was rooted and starting to get sucked up onto the flat deck, meaning it's heading towards our place even sooner. So yeah, starting to get a little exciting. That one front tire was locked up in the snow, but when it hit something a little harder, it did start rolling, so we're happy about that also.
Yeah, turning, yeah. Yeah.
That new muffler's put on about 37 years ago. They still look pretty good. Galvanized steel, I guess. SS 396. Okay, here we are taking the Chevelle home after sitting for 37 years in the yard there, getting moldy, and so we're going to take it home now, and we'll see if we can clean it up, get it running, and just how bad this car really is. So follow us for some episodes, and we'll see what it's all about. Thanks for watching. Okay, it made it home, barnacles and all. So the first thing we're going to try and do is see if we can get it running so that maybe we can drive it into the shop, and then we will start the cleaning process and see how bad everything really is. We'll have several episodes of this, so I hope you watch along and see how we make out.
She's home. Will it run?